Hello and welcome back to ScorpioTech. Today we're going to be taking a look at a keyboard cable that was custom made for me by KeyCables. For quite some time I've seen these cables being posted across social media in conjunction with the ever-growing custom keyboard market. As most of you all know, my setup is generally white, so it made sense for me to match my white keyboard with a white custom cable. There are many sellers out there for these types of coiled cables, but the owner of KeyCables, Henry Marks, got in touch with me and was really helpful with the configuration process, such as with the type of paracord, the colour of tech flex, length of the coil, whether or not I should have had an aviation plug, and also the type of connection on both ends of the cable. In my case, I went with a white and black paracord, with a white tech flex and a 15cm coil. I also opted for an aviation plug, as well as a USB Type-A to connect to the PC and a USB Type-C to fit to my Womia K66 keyboard. These types of cables are completely custom made in Germany and delivered, so the price can be rather high. However, these cables are made for people that are already happy with their setups and wanted to spice it up a little. This should not be a priority for those of you beginning to build your gaming setups unless you have an endless pit of money to dig from, but I think for most of us that's not the case. Prices for these cables start at just under £50, and you can check out all of the options on the KeyCables Etsy shop or on their Instagram page, both of which are linked down in the description. You can also save an extra 10% off the coiled cables by using code SCORPIO on Etsy. In terms of quality, I literally can't fault anything about this. The packaging was excellent and the cables themselves are completely flawless. The setup process, as you would expect for a cable, is extremely easy. Simply had to connect the USB Type-C to the keyboard, connect the aviator plug together, and then put the other standard USB-A into the PC, and then it was good to go. I decided to complement the white cable and keyboard with the purple Storm mousepad from Auromech for some added contrast, and I love the way it looks. I really hope you enjoyed this short little video, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye bye.